The correct answer for this is 1328.
Actually, I'll write it down. You started wrong. So, Kayla got screamed at last night.
Really?
Yeah, I was playing some music way too loud and she came and screamed.
Because she woke up her mom 5 times.
Yeah, well.
And she got no, and she had to get up early because she has to drive herself to work now. 'Cause my dad's in the hospital.
Oh, no. I'm sorry.
He has pneumonia.
What?
Yeah.
You
In his
mean-
lungs.
Pneumonia?
Yeah, whatever that's called. In his lungs, so it's hard for him to breathe. And his heart.
Oh, no.
He has it in his heart.
No, just his lungs.
I'd say
And
that's-
it's his lung. And his heart too.
Is struggling with it. Okay, who wants to come up here for a prize? 1, 2, 3. Who got picked
If it's
yesterday?
3 guys. I did. No, I didn't. They did. Yeah, last time I was like,
2.
yes, better than them. You guys always get picked. I just did 6. Are you recording?
Yes.
You got it for me. Oh, this is kind of awkward.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so first you'd have to put the variable by itself wherever you have that. So you just
Oh.
have to plug it in.
Give me a second.
And then you have to solve. So you distribute the 2. You got it.
Yeah, sorry guys. It's been a while.
Negative 4x minus 4. And then equals negative 17. Okay, and then you add the 3x to negative 4x. Or, yeah, and then you get negative 1x minus 4 equals negative 17. And then you plus 4 to both sides. And you get negative 1x equals negative 13. And then do that, and then you get x equals 13. Okay, and then you have to plug the x into the other equation, and we chose the bottom one. So y equals 2 times 13 plus 2. And then you do 2 times 13 and get 26 plus 2. And then you add the 2, you get y equals 28. And then you plug them into the point and get 13, 28.
Beautiful. Amazing. Grab some prizes. Just take a mystery sticker, you gotta put it on your binder. Okay. We're gonna try one more. All right, let's do 5x minus 3y equals negative 25, and x plus 4y equals 18. Okay. What's different about this one? Yep.
We don't have one that's just starting out as y equals.
Yeah, y equals, or x equals would also be fine. Now, technically, we could get any of these variables by itself. Like, if you wanted to get this top x by itself, we could add 3y and then divide by 5. If we wanted to get this y by itself, we could subtract x and then divide by 4. But I think the thing that's easiest, and I'm lazy, is just to get this bottom x by itself. Do you see how it's already by itself? We just need to move this thing out of the way. So I'm going to rewrite this and make it into x equals 18 minus 4y. And then I'm going to use this junk and put it in for the x in this equation. Do you guys understand why I'm putting it in for the x? Because it says x equals right here. So now it's going to be 5 times parentheses 18 minus 4y. Parentheses, minus 3y equals negative 25. Five times 18. 90. Minus 20y minus 3y equals negative 25. I'm going to put these together, so that's 90 minus 23y. Equals negative 25, and then to get rid of the 90, I'll subtract 90 on both sides. So now I've got negative 23y equals what? Negative 115. 115 divided by 23 is 5. Okay, and now that I have 5, what do I do? Gotta find the x by plugging it into one of the originals. Now I can use this one, this 5x minus 3y equals negative 25. I can use this one, the x plus 4y equals 18, or I can do the new one I made, which is x equals 18 minus 4y. Anybody have a preference? Taya? This new one? Okay, so then that would be x equals 18 minus 4 times 5. Any of them, if you plug in 5 into any of them, it will work. X equals 18 minus 20. I got negative 2. You guys get the same thing? Okay. Okay. So what we're going to do is tomorrow we're going to do post-it partners, but we're also going to do 2 more examples to show you what infinite solutions look like and no solutions look like in these situations. I'm going to tell you the homework right now, just so you can write it down. This is page 409, numbers 1 through 8. And I'm also going to give you the answers of all of them immediately. I think it's pretty darn obvious that with these problems, you can't do these in your head. You have to do the work. And each problem takes quite a bit of work, right? So if you just come up with me with just the answers, you will not get credit for it at all. Okay, this is page 409. Answers are, number 1 is negative 3, 4. 2 is 6, negative 2. Wait. Oh, I'm doing the wrong thing. Hold on. Okay, we're still doing 1 through 8, but I got the page number wrong, and these answers are wrong. I grabbed from the next section instead. My apologies. Okay, it should have been 7.2, not 7.3. Looking at it, and I'm like, these are too hard. What? Yeah. Okay.